Once again for the Law and You from Eyewitness News, we're talking about a tractor-trailer accident for today's edition of the show. Joining us are Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, attorneys, of course. Guys, good to see you today.
Good to see you. And before we start, I want to earn some brownie points with my mother-in-law and wish her a happy birthday today.
That's a good thing to do.
Yes.
Happy birthday to Ed's mother-in-law. And here's our question today. And this involves a tractor-trailer accident. Mike in Bloomsburg wants to know, I was involved in a tractor-trailer collision on Interstate 80 last week. The driver said he slid on ice and couldn't stop. His company is refusing to pay for anything. I am out of work and I have no idea what to do. Now, the good news is here that you guys specialize in this. So
we do.
What can Mike do to get started here?
Mike, actually, we have a case that is going to be going to trial soon. Very similar circumstances actually happened on Route 80. So whenever there is hazardous weather, snow, ice, rain, fog, there are specific rules in the commercial driver's manual that the truck drivers have to follow, and also federal rules that they have to follow whenever there's bad weather. If they don't follow them, then you could show that this particular crash didn't happen as a result of, black ice or just, this unfortunate event or some accident. This was a preventable crash because the truck driver did not reduce his or her speed in accordance with those rules. But they're very specific rules, and if the trucking company will deny this until you get somebody that knows these rules and is going to be able to push back against the trucking company for you.
Right, and what Ed's talking about, the rule basically says they have to use extreme caution, and extreme caution includes they can stop if they have to. I mean, if they don't stop, if they encounter a bad weather condition, slow down, stop, pull over when safe. And anybody who's traveled on 80,
not drive through.
Right. Well, that's the problem. You just can't keep driving through. I mean, we understand the plight of the truck drivers and how they work and how they get paid, but caution and safety on the road to the motoring public on Route 80 is very important on any route in America. So that rule is very helpful. Extreme caution, and again, slow down, stop, and if they follow it, we'd have a lot less accidents.
Well, good advice there, but for those who do get into an accident and they want to talk to you guys, what's the best way to reach you?
Call us, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
And we always say this, and we do, trucking cases all over the country now. Whenever you're involved in a tractor-trailer crash, really your first call should be to a lawyer, because that's who the trucking company is calling immediately, and you need somebody that's going to be able to work on your side.
Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks as always. See you next time. Don't forget, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are always open.